This red truck right here just got ripped apart so I can inspect the damage that was done to it, and thankfully, it was quite minor. The only real damage that's been done to it is to this one frame horn, and the damage to the frame horn is quite minor. It wasn't ripped off or anything, only a little tweak back. So to fix this mount, we had the good idea of using a hydraulic ram to push or pull it out. But our press did not have a good mounting option, so that idea was out the window. But we had one idea left to pull it out. It was nowhere near as proper or professional as using a hydraulic ram, but it's way more fun. So let's hand it off to Real Miles to explain what we are doing now. Alright, so the hydraulic I'm not even going to show because it didn't work in the slightest. We couldn't get it attached properly at all to pull this thing out. So we're just gonna strap it to another vehicle and just give it a little pull. Yep, we're grabbing the frame horn with the strap and pulling it out with another vehicle. And honestly, it went quite well. I was in the truck stomping on the brake, and my father was in the Jeep giving it little pulls. Yep, little light pulls. But in the end, the truck's frame horn was pulled to a proper 90-ish degree angle. It is a vehicle from the early 2000s, so it does have the mandatory stupid clips that are needed to put it back together, but beyond that, it was quite easy. But after all of this, I forgot one thing. Oh yeah, the truck is hideous now. And that is a problem I will hopefully be fixing in the next video. Hopefully.